Standard 9 Chemistry Periodic Table. Topic: Earlier classification of elements. You know that all the substances in the universe are formed by the combination of elements. So far, about 120 elements have been discovered. Of these, only 90 elements are seen in nature. The rest are artificial elements. You might have seen a table of these elements in the science textbook. This is a comprehensive tool for the classification of elements, and this is known as the periodic table. Coming on to the Moseley's contribution. Henry Moseley, through his experiments, proved that the properties of elements depend upon their atomic number. According to this, the elements are arranged in the periodic table in the increasing order of their atomic numbers. This table is known as the modern periodic table. From this, it is clear that there existed a periodic table earlier. Let us look into the early attempts of classification of elements. First is Lavoisier classification. It was Lavoisier who first made an attempt to classify elements. In 1789, the known 30 elements were classified into metals and non-metals. But he was not able to classify metalloids that show the properties of both metals and non-metals. This was one of the limitations of this classification. Second is Dobrynin. After Lavoisier, it was Dobrynin who gave notable contribution in the classification of elements. He formed small groups of 3 elements showing similar properties. These groups were called triads, and the chart shown below clears this. In the triads, the atomic mass of the second element was approximately the arithmetic mean of the first and the third element. This helped in finding the relationship between atomic mass and properties of elements. All elements could not be classified into triads, which was the limitation of this classification. Next is Newland's law of octaves. In 1866, when Newland arranged the known 56 elements in the increasing order of atomic mass, he found that the properties of 8 elements is a repetition of those of the first element. He compared this to the 7 notes of music. Just like the 8th note is a repetition of the first note, Sarigama Padanisa, this law is known as a law of octaves. But one of the noted limitations of this was that the elements with higher atomic mass did not obey this rule. And this contribution is clearly shown as a chart which is shown below. Next is classification using table. It was a Russian scientist Dmitry Ivanovich Mendeleev who created a table for the first time for the classification of elements. Later, Mendeleev came to be known as the father of periodic table. This periodic table, which became a milestone in the history of classification of elements, had 63 elements when it was created. Mendeleev arranged these elements in the table in the increasing order of their atomic masses. When arranged so, he found that the chemical and physical properties of elements repeat at regular intervals. Based on this, Mendeleev proposed the periodic law of elements. Moving on to the Mendeleev's periodic law, the physical and chemical properties of elements are periodic functions of their atomic masses. Advantages: elements were classified in such a way that elements of similar properties were placed in the same group, Learning chemistry was thus made easier. Next, some elements did not follow the correct ascending order of the atomic masses. He pointed out that this could be due to the wrong determination of the atomic masses. Later, this led to the correction of the wrongly determined atomic masses. Example, atomic mass of beryllium was redetermined from 14 to 9. Next, columns were left vacant for elements which were not known at that time and their properties were also predicted. Now, moving on to the limitations of Mendeleev's periodic table. Elements with large difference in properties were included in the same group. Example, hard metals like copper and silver were included along with the soft metals like sodium and potassium. Secondly, no proper position could be given to the element hydrogen. Non-metallic hydrogen was placed along with metals like lithium, sodium and potassium. Next, the increasing order of atomic mass was not strictly followed throughout. Example, cobalt, nickel, tellurium and iodine. When we conclude, periodic table is a convenient way of arranging elements. Earlier classification include Lavoisier, De Bruynere, Newland and Mendeleev's. There are many advantages and disadvantages for the Mendeleev's classification. The vertical columns are called groups and the horizontal rows are called periods.